Table of contents about StormX installation guide, mobile version, profile verification, shop rewards, reward level and beneficial connect wallet invite screen settings. ACL presents con about StormX. Storm is a cryptocurrency company founded in 2014.
The company aims to utilize the digital advertising world by creating an advertising marketplace that rewards users through gamified microtasks from anywhere, at any time, and on any device. The tasks can be short surveys, trying out new products, watching videos, and complete microtasks. Currently, the platform supports more than 500 top brands. Storm app. The Storm platform offers a mobile-friendly app that users can download, Android and iOS. The application uses a currency called bolts which a user can earn after completing the tasks provided by the platform. Bolts can be used to withdraw Storm, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Users can use the application and earn crypto by any of these methods. Shop Lazards installation guide, mobile version. Download the application on your phone. The app will give you various options for login. Click sign in with email and a verification email along with a code will be sent to your email address. After email verification, the application will be launched. The landing page will look like this. Profile verification. Before proceeding, you have to verify your profile by giving details like your first name, last name, nickname, and phone number. Once your profile gets verified, you can access the platform. Now let us see what different features the application provides. Shop. The shop option lists many shops that the platform is supporting. You can also see the cashback/rewards that you can receive after shopping from these listed shops. You can further check the reward distribution applied to different categories of products available on the shop in greater detail. It will also list the different product sections of the selected site on which these rewards will not be applied. Storm has partnered with thousands of online stores and designed a browser extension that will allow users to earn crypto rewards easily. Currently, the Storm shop supports only Chromium-based browsers, i.e., Chrome, Brave, Edge, etc. The company is also planning on releasing versions for other browsers in the near future. Storm users can use the option to activate the Crypto Backer Chrome button whenever they do online shopping. This button operates in the background and, depending upon the user's membership level and offers provided by the store, the user reward varies from 0.5% to over 85%. The rewards points that users earn from completing a task in Storm are called bolts. It can be used to withdraw Storm, Saints, Bitcoin, BX, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LT, DAI, and Yearn. Finance, ETH. Play option will give you a variety of tasks from where you can earn bolts. The task can be related to surveys, watching videos, etc. Each of these tasks holds a certain amount of bolts which is mentioned under it. Users can easily complete these activities and earn. One can easily exchange his earned tokens, bolts, for Storm, Saints, Ethereum, ETH, Bitcoin, BX, or Litecoin, LT. Rewards reward feature can help you in earning more and provide certain other benefits. To unlock more rewards, you have to become a member. The membership structure is divided into several levels, and each level comes with different attractive crypto rewards and benefits. If you want to become a member, you have to connect your wallet to the Storm app. Once the user links the wallet, he/she automatically enters the purple level. There are different levels, and each level has different benefits. The percentage of crypto back reward benefit increases over time and level. In higher levels, such as Diamond and Platinum, the level offers a benefit of reward time redo. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.